Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus without password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, so we will lose all of our data if we don't have a backup. And the third thing is that after the reset, when we get to the setup process, the phone will want to verify us, and we'll have to sign in into the same Google account into which we're logged in before the reset, as a confirmation that we are a user of this device, so have that in mind. Let me show you that the phone is fully locked. I cannot remember the pattern. And now, we need to connect our phone into our laptop or PC using the USB-C cable. Of course, you can also use Mac. And now, we need to force restart our device. We need to hold power key and volume down until the screen turns off. And when it does, we need to quickly switch the combination. We need to start holding power key and volume up. And when Samsung logo pops out on the screen, we need to release the power button, but we need to keep holding volume up. So, let me present. Volume down and power. Keep holding until the screen is turned off. Now quickly switch and release the finger from power button, but keep holding volume up, just like that. Okay, now using volume keys, select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power key, and select factory data reset. Data wipe complete. Now select reboot system now, confirm, we can unplug the cable, we won't be needing it anymore, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on, and we will have to go through the setup process and of course sign in into the Google account to verify. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.